All right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Gims with a song called Carbo. All right, so if you love his style of music where you have one melody, simple chord progression, and simple strumming, then this could be one of them. This has his DNA all over it. So let's go into this Gims Carbo song with the capo set on the 5th fret. All right, that's the setup. We have 3 chords to learn. So we're gonna go into the A minor part. Open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. All right, that's the A minor. Next chord is the F major 7. So that goes third on D, second on G, first B, and open E. And then G. For this G, I focus more on the bass strings, and I have the strings down there open because it fits this specific song better. So we're gonna use 3rd fret on E string, 2nd on A, and all the other strings down there will be open. All right. So this is a 3-chord song, but it has a chord progression of 4 chords. So that means we're gonna play A minor, F major, G, and back to F major. So A minor, F, G, F. That's the chord progression. Now, let's go into the melodies here and learn them chord by chord. Starting with A minor, you're gonna play like this. So that is to play open A together with first B. Then second G, first B, and second G. Next chord, F major, goes like this. So that is to play 3rd fret D string, then 3rd B 2 times, then first B, and open B. That open B I pull off, so I don't pick that open B. I play the first B, and then with that finger I'm using on the first B, I snap it off to get the open B. Okay, that's the F major part. Then comes the G, goes like this. That is to play 3rd fret on E string together with open B, then open G, open B, and open G. And then finally, the last F major goes like this. So that is to play 3rd D, 3rd B 2 times, and 2nd G. And that's it. So I'm gonna take you through one round of this melody slowly. It goes like this. Okay, so standard. And so on. All right. Now, we will learn a strumming pattern that fits this perfectly well, and we have a 2-part strumming pattern. So let's take a look at the transition from A minor to F major. So part 1, A minor, goes like this. Okay, so it's down, up, clap, down. Down, short pause, and then up, clap, down. Then you switch chord, in this case to F major, and play down, down, clap, down. So down, down, clap, down. That's it. Then you just use this for the next 2 chords. So G is played in the same way as A minor, down, or clap, down. And then F major, again in the same way, part 2, down, down, clap, down. So slowly, 1 chord progression round goes like this. Okay, so now when you have this, you can combine notes and have this beat going on where you know now how the strumming goes. You can build in the melody into the beat, and it could sound something like this. All right, something like that, play and have fun with it. That's how I handle Gims Carbo. If you enjoyed it, then I'm happy. That's my mission. So educate you guys with great songs. So hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, play tuned.